All right. No, I'm good. Thank you. All right. Me and Jason here at the Conisty Nature Preserve, getting ready to do the Red Trail. This is such a beautiful area. Conisty, South Carolina. We'll go down the Red Trail. I am tethered off for the first time to my Sherman Max after the bald rock. It kind of scared me. I could have lost it for sure. Oh wow. Got all kinds of wildlife in the bushes. This is amazing. We're gonna let Jason go by and get a little footage of him riding. Jason is brand new to the sport and he's doing great. I met him at Lake Joe Cassie, and he had saw a video of the EUCs and he said, I'll buy it from you right now today. And sure enough, he went to his truck and bought it right there on the spot. Awesome. Good job, man. All right. Yeah, go straight. Yeah, we just crossed over the Swamp Rabbit Trail. Woo-hoo. Those banana roots are fun for jumping. I'll tell you that right now. Look at Jason tearing it up. How many miles you think you've ridden, Jason? Watch the people coming up. How you guys doing today? All right. So beautiful out here. The river's down on the right, the Reedy River. We're just going to continue on. We'll catch a view of it. All right. We're still on the Red Trail. I'm not sure if there's a name to it, but if there is, I'll look it up and make sure I put it on the video head. Oh. Look at these little nice green bridges. Go to the right. Go to the right. Always right, never left. So again, I am tethered off to my unicycle for the first time. I'm very excited about it. I know I'm making multiple videos, but I didn't want to bore you guys with one extremely long video. This is awesome though. Nice. Good deal. Jason's a pro.
I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn
How you doing today?
Bitch, you ain't seen anything.
Beautiful day.
I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots.
Wonderful.
Too toxic,
just enjoying the day. You guys have a good time. Whoa. Doing a great job on that thing, Jason. Yeah. Yeah, sand is definitely a different beast, that's for sure. Gotta try it on the beach, man. The beach is awesome. Right up on the river again. Beautiful river. Reedy River. Awesome. How you guys doing today? Come on through. Beautiful day today. Yes, ma'am. You're welcome. All right. There we go. I think this is going to loop around on us a little bit, maybe. I'll go right. Yeah. I think this might be the head. That's a little sandy spot you gotta watch out for. Under a magnolia tree. I recognize those leaves anywhere. That was our loop around. Ooh. Get some good sandy soil. Watch them. Yeah, it will. Sand is not your friend on a unicycle. I'll tell you that. From riding on the beach, you learn that you got to stay in that packed stuff pretty good. Awesome. All right, that was the top of the trail. We've turned around and we're heading back. Got a few sandy spots we're going to have to look out for. Awesome. Awesome. On your left, coming through. How you guys doing today? Wonderful. This is such a beautiful kept gym back here. Nobody knows about it. Oh, is it? It's beautiful. I'm enjoying it too. It's just like my third time. Awesome. Put a little speed on here. Oh, what do we got there? Some swampland over there? I was thinking about going that way, but I'm just going to walk it through the sandy spot. Walk right on by you guys. Awesome. There we go. Try to be a little bit courteous to our people on foot. We want to keep them happy, not upset. Let's get a little jump on this bridge. How about that? Awesome. Check out them banana roots. All right. Let's see if I can get it up here. Ooh. I almost made it. I probably needed some speed with that. Ooh. How you doing today? All right. Love these wooden bridges. Awesome. Ooh. Doing a jump like that sure is a trick. What do we got there? Box Turtle Run. I think we came from this direction, but we're going to go up Box Turtle Run. So peace out. I'll start a new video.